unlimited vertical now, and you just pick how wide you want to make your loops and go for it. Is that awesome? Is that awesome? Immelmans are just a piece of cake now. Since it's going, it had a really good roll rate on 2S, but now that it's going even faster through the air, it has an exceptional roll rate now, especially compared to where it started. Isn't that awesome? It's pretty fast too. That is a beauty of a plane. That is a beauty of a plane. And man, has it got power now. I'm loving it. What do you think of that, huh? Unlimited vertical. I'm really impressed with these 1806 2000 kV motors. I never would have guessed that they would produce that much thrust on a 3S with a 6042 prop, but man, I am really happy with the performance of these motors. Alright, so I'm about to get my timer, so let's see if we can bring it out, and the wind's picking up. That might help. Maybe. Ooh, that was kind of iffy. A little gusty out here now. But is that awesome, or is that awesome? That is a fantastic little Staggerwing now. It took a little bit of effort, and of course I had to replace a lot of the stock components. But man, what an awesome biplane now. You know, I am loving this Staggerwing. And these 1806 2000 kV motors are awesome for planes this size on 2S and 3S. On 2S I used an APC style 7x5 thin electric prop. It worked extremely well on 2S with this motor, and then on 3S I got the prop down to a Gem Fan Flash 6042 two-blade prop. And I bench tested a lot of different props, right, on these types of motors, and the Gem Fan Flash 6042 is what gave me the best balance of power and flight time. So that's what I went with. So I can get about 6 minutes of flight time on it, pushing it fairly hard on 3S with my little GMB 3S 550 milliamp hour lipos. So it's a fairly efficient you know, pushing it pretty hard and getting that kind of flight time with unlimited vertical power, and just cruising around part of the time, you know, mixed mode flying. So I'm extremely happy with this setup. That's a wrap on this episode. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the Tinkerz Lab.